Good morning and assalamualaikum, my students, my fellows. Hope you fine and you are busy in your routine studies. Should be busy in study. Every man has a past. If we want to go our past, we have much learning for to our past. For some player and some just like some happy moments and some bitter experience, and the cause of our so we should thank God for our God, and we our present that we are happy and the thank God for every step, and we should watch our future and should be struggle for our future. Am I right? I think right. हर इंसान का पास्ट होता है और उस पास्ट से हमारी बहुत सी मेमोरीज जो होती हैं, मेमोरेबल्स, अटैच होती हैं. सम आर जो हमारी खुशी का जो है वो हमें खुशी के मोमेंट में जो है वो ले जाते हैं. बट देयर इज़ सम बिटर एक्सपीरियंस for that moment we fall down and we gone into a sad moment. और जहाँ भी हमारा बिटर एक्सपीरियंस रहा होता है, जिन यादों से ऐसी यादें, ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हमें कहीं ना कहीं उदास कर जाता है. हमें हर लम्हा शुक्र करना है अपने खुदा का कि हम इस वक्त जहाँ खड़े हैं, जिस हाल में हैं प्रेजेंट में, उसी पे खुदा का शुक्र करें, ना कि पास्ट में उन चीज़ों को लेके सोचते रही. Fell down and past is past, so we should forget. Okay, so today our is a related topic, past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Before my previous lectures about tenses, 4 kind of present tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous with the examples. So watch my lectures for a better understanding, four kind of present tense. And now let's do present indefinite tense. So here is a question that how can we recognize present indefinite tense in Urdu and present indefinite tense in English? Firstly, the past time definitions. The past time is called past tense, and Urdu recognition of a past tense in the end of sentence tha, thi, te and अलिफ एंड ये का इस्तेमाल आता है. So let's start with the recognition in the Urdu of past indefinite tense. Recognition Urdu. At the end of sentences, at the end of sentences, tha, thi, the and okay, recognition in Urdu. And now recognition in English. Recognition in this sentence, the use of second form of verb. The use of second form of verb and use of negative and interrogative sentences, recognitions, the use of did not and did. So the use of second form of verb, use of second form of verb. First subject and then second form of verb. Firstly, we start sentence, subjects, any subject, it's not any objection, first person, second person, third person, first person, second person and third person. We can use second form of verb in a singular or a plural persons. Okay, so just like examples of they They laughed in the class. He went to Karachi yesterday and we offered prayers. We offer prayer or we offered Jummah we offer prayer or we offer prayer Jummah. And the hunter hunted the lions and I drank milk and you did not learn lecture and did she finish her work? So now they subject and laughed, second form of verb. Subject and then second form of verb and this one object. He subject and when second form of verb. We subject and offer second form of verb. The hunter subject and hunted second form of verb. So here is I is a subject and drank second form of verb. and you are seeing laughed, went, offered, hunted, drank, and see attentively, you did not learn lecture. So it's a negative sentence, did not. And here is, we use first form of verb, not a second form of verb, because when we making a past indefinite tense in a negative or a interrogative, then we use of did, then we use of did not or a did. We should use of first form of verb. जब did not और did यूज़ होगा इंट्रोगेटिव और नेगेटिव में, सो वी यूज़ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जो है हम इसकी यहाँ यूज़ करेंगे. Why? Here is question why. Okay, I tell you. When we study a pattern or a table of form of verbs, and I sure that you remember that's a do, first form of do, did, done. Do, did, done. Okay, do, did, done. So did is show second form of, because it's a self for past tense, you did not. So already we use did in the past, so now we use next first form of verb. So always with the did not or did in the past indefinite tense, we use first form of verb. Okay, so remember it in main issues for these form of verb. So and next past indefinite tense, how can the rules of past indefinite tense. The use of adverb of past tense, the use of verb of a past tense, just like he went to Karachi yesterday. Adverb of past tense. And to describe an action in the past, to describe an action in a past, so just like they laugh in the class. To describe an action in the past, so they laugh in a class, because second form is showing to a past tense. Okay, and to describe the work which was continued in the past, so just like they played while I study. So just like they played while I studied. Okay, they played while I studied. And to describe, to continue in the past. So they played while I study. Understand? So, and the next, in the conditional sentence, the use of past tense. In the conditional sentence, how can we judgment in a conditional sentence for a past tense? If he worked hard, if he worked hard, just like if he worked hard, he would pass in the exams. If he worked hard, he would pass in the exam, because it's a conditional sentence. Okay, so these are some rules of past indefinite tense. So thank you so much, and we discuss next method of past perfect tense. So okay, see you, and please subscribe, like and comments me and sharing others. Thank you so much.